Sheilah ge mazima.
This is the first time I'm actually seeing her on a live. She's never been on live.
Hi everyone.
Hi Sheilah.
Bana mwebale kola live.
Amina.
Yeah.
Ogambo cha mami Sheilah.
This about now Ogambo cha barista.
You look beautiful.
Really? Thank you.
Sheilah, how are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm okay.
Swazo lino mukisa olaba olese Sheilah ku live.
Muwanguzi omwana wamusibeke njala Swazi nawe.
Senate oli Swazi yasizo kutunyiza. Muwanguzi olaba olese Sheilah.
Yakunyiziza ate yakoze ate.
So far Sheilah bintu yabitegera ainenge jakuma abantu. So far tuyine million 8 mu emitwalo 2. Ask these guys, there are 44,000 Ugandans. If each of them gives this boy 1K, that's about 40 millions. Yes.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah. Abantu bitwale na buli omune watera ko no mwana.
Neya, did you tell what's the initiative like yagala college? Bruno wamubuziza. What's his future plan? What does he want to do?
He wants to like start up like a garage. Ayagala nyokanika.
Oh,
first
wow.
again he gave into yes. Again a big because he stopped in form 3. Then yali amuwerera obusobozi ne bugwawo. But he would love to go back and go kukanika, then akole garage because he loves those things ebyo kanika. Second, he cannot do hard work kubanga ina bone issue. Yandaze some medical papers. Magumba ge gamarade, but you know health issues we cannot disclose them on live, but and it's about his bones and not doing too much. Yanga wasemba okusawa wazirika.
Amanya sigaza mugali nyaku buliri.
But if it's not so complicated, I think it also can be corrected. Maybe like supplements.
I want doctors who can help us, but we see what's wrong with him. Then we see if we can fix that. Yes, we see if we can fix that.
Okay.
Yeah, but Ugandans are they're really doing their best so far. To 8,290,000. All right, that's good. 8 million. There is a gentleman who has given Muwanguzi a plot in Bara.
Oh wow, Java yes. In Bara. Anyway, the Chanamwagaddeko bambi yastenze calm. With all the drama, there is so much drama. Nenze Bruno netimo mbadde njagala babuuza. What was the reason why they did the DNA? Bara anira bintu. What is the? When did Paul Kafeero die anyway?
Bili
Musanvu is what? 2007.
2007.
Ne kati ate lwaki babikoze kati?
I think one property. So they wanted to so they wanted to kusala ko imagine abakayanire ebintu ndoza ba finding out who is I don't know. So
there were too many kids, like 40.
Nenze chengamba, make my advice. I've been saying this drama. Advise yange Muwanguzi biri ebya DNA biveko. Are concentrating on himself. So thankfully, Bruno and Timo have put this together. Sente ze tugeno muwa. Zengena muwa yo milioni 2. Na is it this number? This
you can put on the Airtel.
I've been asking about the numbers. There's online.
Yes, there's a zero screen here.
Okay, but I think one of them is full. What's your limit? You should check your Airtel.
Bananga abetano mulindeko teka ko mulindeka abetano Sheilah soka amalere lino. Abetano.
Yes. Tonze nyagala mu omanyi there is one thing giving people money naye chidala chichi che bagenda okukozesa. The money
I'm going to follow it up.
What are their plans? I think that's the thing that I had with Bianca. Yes, oyamba omuntu naye chichi kyayagala. Ekirungi you guys have identified wabayagala bya kukanika. Then chabeera akola ki ate tatuswaza bannange. Manyi sobola okubeera wano. Omuntu ne tumuyamba ne later after some time n'atandika otuswaza. In a way whereby people have given, I've seen this beautiful lady, very beautiful, dark-skinned lady. She has given their money. Ate later tulire nti ate bamusanze atamira takola be bakoze. So Muwanguzi this is from me to you, maybe tomanyi.
Wow.
Naye abantu bakukwat my Luganda is not bakukwatiza ekisa bakwagadde. So buli kimu kye bagenda okukola okuwa oba okuyamba beero like tokola ki sigala ku mulamwa ebya DNA because I'm seeing people saying about they take them in America and all that. Ne property people sell things ne bigwawo.
Naye Sheilah, one quick question. Amazima nga wajja ekifaananyi kya kafeero n'otunuulira Muwanguzi. Weetaaga
Nze namulaba since the other time we baavaayo. I was shocked. I personally, I don't know Kafeero's music like that. Like I don't know so much.
Yeah.
Then nalaba that picture and him nengamba, this person is actually even Grenade looks like that guy, you know. I mean, Paul Kafeero. It's crazy. But naye bambi situation yagihandolinze bulungi.
He's a silent champ. And you know, the most amazing thing, Sheilah, I did speak with him before we came to the live. I told him, I don't want to embarrass me ever. The good thing with me, I do a follow-up story. I follow up. What are you doing? And that's what I told. The good thing, he came with these people who are guardians. Then, guys, if people are going to give this guy a lot of money, but one thing I hate is that would be so bad for me. I'll feel so devastated. I'll feel so broken.
Bad, yeah.
Just help me and plan for this guy's money very well. And we laid out a plan, and I'm going to follow up and make sure that he gets whatever we have planned here. Because tetwagala suswaza. Era kino nkigamba ne auntie ne sister wa Muwanguzi bannaye sente za Muwanguzi muzikwate bulungi.
Temusooka okwesanyusaako.
It comes from a Christian family. These people are not money hungry.
Are you sure? But pastors are the most money hungry people, Bruno. What are you saying? Bruno. No, I mean, I don't judge them, but don't give an example of church.
But by the way, one thing I'd like to thank you, and we have made history. This is the biggest live in East Africa.
Oh, you're almost at 50,000.
We're going to make it. Nobody in East Africa has done this. So Ugandans, big up on yourselves. We are still the biggest guys. Ugandans, bless yourselves, bless yourselves. This is amazing. And we are.
So have you guys identified the garage that he will learn from?
I will. Those ones, sister, right? I'm very sure my inbox is full. He has a lot of people in it telling me. But makanika abali yongo sobola somesa omwana ono tukira mu inbox yange. I will listen to all of you, then I'll pick out the best who is going to help him amusomese. Njagala Muwanguzi ayikukanika motoka. Then we can help him set up a garage and other things. The good thing now, Muwanguzi even has land. So remember, mutapinga screen tuweze mitwale tano tunacho chigwe tuchibale ntichiwe. But I can still see money coming through. Guys are still sending money.
I'm just trying to do it now.
Yeah, I can see guys keep sending money. Like the Airtel is in the names of the MTN is in the names of Naluja Rebecca, the MTN.
The guy doesn't have a phone.
He does. Kakano, mlageshira iPhone 17 yo. Jirageshira.
Yatugambe kuliko TikTok.
iPhone 17. He doesn't have
TikTok.
iPhone 17. Can you add Shira on Twitter?
Be serious, Bruno. Okay, so I'm going to. Can we keep talking until midnight? Because I'm waiting for my new bank limit.
No
my online banking, so I can send
we are going to be here, Sheilah. Abantu bagambe jasomana basigale nga bamuterako sente wano bannange mamisha tuwaddeyo 2 million.
Njagala kuba ku live nga sente baweereza nga muzira gisagala bagambe.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Aba MTN update eri etya aba MTN.
Bantu bagambye mutwale Dubai asome coffee.
Thank you so much, Kamani. Thank you, Sheilah.
Thank you
so much. May God bless you. Thank you very, very much. May God bless you.
And by the way, coffee in Dubai?
Me?
Auntie, you said coffee in Dubai.
Bale Timo, kakubuza kino. Bale ne kino kiyinza okukola. Omwana ono Timo bwajjeeyo n'omuyigizo so omufunira gy'akolera.
Nedda tuso omuntu alamu haze nemufunire muletanga ze direct ku mulimu. Kozo okujja atanoonye omulimu kijja kubeera kizibu nate haze.
Naye asooka abeereko ko mu town Bruno apikinge brain.
Nange kinjagala.
Asooka abeere then after waba mukozi then maybe Timo asobola.
Muzayo katosi bakigaali.
But where is that? Is that like Mbarara side?
Mukono district.
Katosi tujiganye buli omu aganye wano mu comment section tadda Katosi tubiganye taddayo Katosi tujiganye abe Katosi mujja kumulabako bulabi ngazze okulambula ku mataka ge
wama Muwanguzi walonyedde ku cappuccino.
Katosi is like almost a village, so it's not that.
Muwanguzi wanywako cappuccino wama
buli mbuka mugulire yogera
kangulire bugulizi nsobola okulaba
Muwanguzi olinde ku chips.
Ate olaba Bruno olaba social media Bruno olaba social media ina so much big influence lwakuba era kyasooka okukola kyakufuna simu eriko TikTok.
I was telling the sister here.
That's the first thing. By tomorrow afune simu olaba nebino ebya mechanic school esobola omugamba abeerewo ate ne bamusasula n'abeera nga advertisinga.
Lwakubanga obuzibu tufunye Sheilah wamaze jabba bulya kubanga mwennamu abayambe Muwanguzi. Muwanguzi ayina bagundi ayina religion ye gyalimu muteekiriza
Adventist. Asha. Jano genda ojako. I always see people.
No, Sheilah, for me, my thinking is like, watandika now TikTok, people manipulate him.
What about Muwanguzi ate ekyo, how is it? Kubanga kati awonze mukwano gwange bugs. Sobola mukubira enkya n'atandika ku next.
Bamuyingiza okanika amasimu. Zora bocha.
Good and goodest.
Good and goodest. Yes.
Good and goodest.
Nina just ngena mukubira simu bamuteke it's just like a 3 months nga wetumufunira wasobola okubeera maybe ne sister we nayiga olaba Bruno in this life buli kimu waba opportunity ng'omuntu nga Muwanguzi webakuwa opportunity y'okuyiga ekintu kiyige. Era n'oyiga simu enkya n'oyiga ebya garage buli kimu opportunity ejja kubeera awo ogitwala okitegeera.
Sheilah however much twagala okuwa Muwanguzi tumuwaate kyajja osobola tasobola kanika simu.
Bruno
K esimu eri sophisticated naye ate
there's nothing impossible.
Timo ajja kuyiga
motoka mwenyini waliwo byotasobola kuyiga nga byetaaga computer ng'ogamba wheel alignment n'ebisigadde owa computer
kati ye bajja muwaayo ka department kana picking oba screen oba battery
ategeko screen gani
Is my friend.
Abantu commenting on your Zari. There is a similar.
She's not on. She just said she was not on. She just
these
told
guys
me.
they're just commenting.
Yeah, they were. Yeah, she's like.
Oh no, Zari fake.
Zari was Saudi.
Sorry. She's like, I texted her, and she's like, oh, which live? And I said the live we're on, and she's like, oh no, she's not on it. Yeah, I think
the gifters. Oh, Zari. What temu?
Yes. So, but then only my friend Bugs era ina abantu abakoma mu S3 S4 bajja ne bakolachi.
But Sheilah, bomala okuwereza bambi ngamba wano bano bagaye bagambe.
Oh, it's now midnight. Let me do it now.
Yo, Sengo International, thank you so much. Big up yourself for the gift.
Wow, thanks for the gift.
Abantu be Katosi baganye. Bagambe nti Katosi nedda.
Amma Muwanguzi buli kimu kye bakuwa okuyiga oba okubekinga oba okukola ki oba ki eno life tell easy buli kimu okikola ki okikwata
wamaze kyengendo saba kiri kimu kira
n'owa garage n'okwata
Muwanguzi bamugulyewo TikTok account abantu abali bagundi religion ya Muwanguzi tubale tubasaba
mu religion anyway
tukakole sente
wa religion ki
what is the religion
ate ng'agibuuza bali be basumba
mutugambe religion tutegeere kye tuliko
ababalyawo
sisita wanganye mu bafaza bajja mutuga mubafaza bakambwe bajja mutuga
banange guys Katonda naye ayamba
naye nga tugenda mugulyawo TikTok banaye bafaza ba Muwanguzi tugenda mugulyawo TikTok nga nzagikontrolinga
Katonda Bruno, let's tell this boy it's his time to hear. Katonda ayamba muntu yeyambye. You know the thing, one time as I'm sending the money, one time my house help nali njagala je on Sunday. Nangamba tasobola kujja ne mugamba Raj when I'm going to pay you extra because she comes and works and goes. Nangamba mbu agenda kubeera mu church. Ne mugamba owaayo sente mmeka. Nangamba owaayo 15 biki. Ne mugamba ne nkugambe come on Sunday to work just to cut for me. Because I like cooking but I don't like to cut the tomatoes bichi. Ne mugamba come ngenda kuwa 50,000. Nangamba na church ne muga you're praying in church ne muga ogenda na chinangamba ngenda ne boda ne mugamba pastor wajja atya. Nangamba pastor wanga javuga ne muga katitola anti totegeera.
Gwene pastor o.
Okitegeera. Oli ajja ate sente ze entini zofuna. Because I give her 500 a month. Ate nga tasula wano. Ajja n'akola ate nze mbeera nzekka. Ne mugamba sente ntono z'ofunye ate oziwooli. Please. Ama Muwanguzi life eno yakwe jjayo.
Waliwo abantu bano